Alright, so welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be putting QA1 coils on my 1986 Ford LTD. It's kind of like a Fox body Mustang, but it's a four-door family car. It only came in automatics, and they're kind of boring from the factory, so I plan to spice mine up a little, obviously. Make it look like a, almost like something that'd be in NASCAR, so it's going to be kind of cool. I have a RSX Type S, 2004, right before the refresh. Got a block sitting over here. I plan on making some power with. Got some used coils. Anybody wants them? $200. Gotta actually have a wing here. Haven't decided if I'm gonna put it on the LTD or not. It's from it's like a saline style wing off a Mustang. Got my K20 head back there. Got my valve cover. So, yeah. So let's get started. All right. For those of you who don't know, the Fox body, or most Fords is from 79 all the way up to 93. Mustangs, LTDs, a bunch of other cars, all in the same chassis, even actually till 2004. So this would be the shock. It runs a shock. Here's the axle. Here's a trailing arm, and then the spring. The spring's right there, and it's got an upper arm here on each side of the diff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my new strained shocks off and the springs off and putting in a system that's just a single normal like coilover you would see on modern cars here on both sides. There's another one right there, so I'll have two coilovers, and that will eliminate needing a shock and a spring separate. A bunch of companies make kits for these cars. I've been wanting to put these on here forever. It makes it easy to adjust ride height and other things without having to really tear anything apart. So I'm going to go ahead and get on it. So I got the bottoms off. Up here on the top, you can see it up there. See, there's a top of the strut, or the shock mounts right there. So I'm going to take that off on both sides. The bottom, and take the wheel off to access the bottom of the shock. And I got bolts still in there so the shocks won't spin. And should be yanking them out here soon. So here's what my coils look like. It's a strut with the coilover sleeve thing on it. It's about the only way to do it on a Fox body in the rear. It's a QA1 strut shock with a Viking spring and I think a UPR coilover kit. Bought this from a guy on Facebook. I got this upper control arms, lower trailing arms for $250 shipped here. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go throw it on. Oh, here's the other ones I just took out. All single adjustable. Both of them are. The ones I have are newer, but I think I'm gonna throw these in for now until the car's probably a little more performance oriented. So here we go. So here's the car with all the coils in the rear. So it's a little lower in the rear now. Of course, when you have stock suspension in the front, it's going to do that. Should be getting the headlights in today. The LEDs we're going to put in should look pretty sick. I know not many people will probably see this, but if you do, what should I call this thing? I was thinking like the SR-71 Black Turd. I think it's kind of funny. Maybe it'll turn into a Blackbird after it's not less clapped. So we'll see.